out. This way? Yeah, out to the right. So I can see the last flight path.
Yes, sir, Alex.
To the right more. Right. Oh my god.
Bro, this is quiet.
I can see this is right on top of the second sandbar. Or right past it. Do you want me to go farther?
Nah, drop it.
On the sandbar?
Yeah. Sandbar sharks.
Alright. That's not it. Alright.
That's how
Oh, Eric! What's up? Say hi to the camera.
What's up?
What are we gonna be catching today?
We're gonna be catching dolphins.
What? Nah.
We're gonna be catching killer whales.
What? Oh look, the drone's coming back. Whoa!
Oh, overshot that.
You overshot that a little bit.
I was just anything else.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Double Up fishing video. Today, we got a drone and we're gonna be taking out some baits off of St. Pete Beach, and we're gonna see if we can catch ourselves some more sharks. So stick with us and join us for this epic video. Ooh.
Wow.
W landing.
Now
W
we're gonna have
landing.
a 1v1 on drones. I have my drone, he has his drone. Let's see who's gonna win.
Something funny.
I'm gonna be the first one in Double Up fishing to get bit by a shark.
No, you're not.
What?
Lightweight?
Oh my god. Big chunk of mullet and a, what, a 6-pound Sputnik? Lightweight for that drone.
Did you say pound?
Ounce. It's 6 ounces.
Left a
right?
little more.
That is light work. Oh my god.
So much faster.
Oh, this might be the best cop in Double Up fishing history. Is this the best cop in Double Up fishing history?
Mine's so much smaller than his. Mine's so much better.
He's so concentrated.
Alright, we're at the same depth.
Go a bit further. We got another drone. Oh shoot.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He's dropping it. What do you press to drop it?
That's past second sandbar. Good. First sandbar. Take the lead away.
Go out more. I see it.
Second sandbar.
Yeah, I see it. Go out. You can drop it.
And that's how you
That
drop
is
it?
the coolest feeling ever.
Oh my god.
See, look. When it turns red, that triggers the drop mechanism. And
Yeah.
it drops. Alright, we are 3 minutes in, and we've caught a tiny what?
Bull shark?
Bull shark. Baby bull
No,
shark.
that's a sandbar. No, that's a bull.
not as much
Back
lighter.
up, Chosen. Much wider.
Can I feel it?
Go for it.
Get a flick.
Touch it.
And then let Larson and Tolan get a flick with it.
Back up.
I know you guys didn't click on this video for some tiny little sharks, so get yourself ready for some true Double Up fishing giants.
Did he just drop it?
You gotta have it on for good luck.
Or just let it sit, let it.
Hold this.
Oh shit. I got it. He might be. Oh no, that's faster. Yeah, you got it.
Lucas!
It's fine, just let him go.
Come back!
Not too tight.
That's pulling me for sure.
Holy.
Oh, the kayak is coming towards us, bro.
Teddy, film. Do with this.
Turning? Yeah!
Oh, yeah, you got that.
This is low. It's either popping or I'm getting spooled. Hey, Alex!
Teddy the cameraman. Look at Teddy the cameraman. Shiced up cameraman. Reeling in this big old fish. We just took this bait out. We freshed up all the baits.
Timing, what?
We freshened up all the baits and now we're reeling this fish in.
That's cameraman.
What is this man doing? Bro, what is Lucas doing? He's looking for shells mid-battle.
Bro, you need to hide this, man, bro. Look at this.
And he's so precise with that. Look at I'm just recording Teddy recording Alex.
It's the BTS, bro. It's the BTS.
Best recorder in town.
Oh, I gotta get the behind.
Hire this man, hire this man. Hire this man ASAP. What is that? Is that just another sandbar? Oh, it's a sandbar. He still's got a lot of energy. He's still very active.
You can't sit there. I'll pull up.
Just pull him in with the waves.
The line, Michael. Don't touch.
Yeah, yeah. It's another fat sandbar. That's a fat sandbar. I'll pull up the mouth and you'll check where it is. I got it.
Oh, he's not gonna turn, is he? Got him?
Yeah. Yeah, look, it's right there, it's right there. It's right there. Just see if you can grab. Yeah, exactly. There you go. 6'4" sandbar shark. Yes, sir, on the little conventional. But yeah, that's still a 6 foot plus sandbar shark right here. Let's get a release on her. Yes, sir. So many sandbars out here.
It's because it's cold, they're coming in.
Yeah. You can flip him around right here. It's just gonna get. Just slap his tail. Like push him out and slap his tail, yeah.
There we go. He's coming in, he's coming in. Go.
No, he's pointing out. Yeah, he's good, he's good. He's swimming out there, he's out there right now.
Yeah, now we're good.
Wait, keep shining your light.
I can't see him.
I mean, if he's anywhere, he should be like right around that area. Oh, Gavin.
Guess we're staying here.
Gavin.
Really, 10 seconds.
There we go. There we go.
Tell me my luck doesn't work. I fucking did it again on every single thing.
It's him, bro. It's him. Healing drive.
No, I think I touched this one last though. I swear.
Yeah,
No,
you did.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. You did that one last.
Oh, yeah, I did that one.
Want the belt, boy? Nah, I'm looking chilling.
Alright then. I'll put on me because I want to do after you. Yeah, I don't know.
You gotta reel like fast because he's kind of tired. He's already very tired. Not that close.
I'll be really.
Are these, bro? What the heck?
Oh, look at him. Look at him out there. Let me keep pulling him in. You don't need to tail grab him yet. I'll just keep pulling him in. There you go.
Maybe he's just bored.
I didn't do last time.
Yeah, you did.
But this guy's bigger.
Oh, he's got a remote on it too. Look at that.
Oh my, that guy is big. Look at that, that's a nice sandbar shark. Cool. Ready to go? 7? 6? Same size as last time. Yeah.
He's gone.
Oh, Gavin, here.
Oh, finally. Alex, we got a hook on.
That's enough drag. I just put a little bit of drag on it. I don't know how sensitive this is. How sensitive is this? God damn it.
Are we on?
Yeah.
Here, go take a second. Good.
See how tight it is.
There you go. That's where we need it.
There we go. He's not that small either. Can I get my shark? Oh yeah, you got this one. Yeah. There you go. It's a spinner. So you want to put your hand a little further up. It's a long rod. Yeah. Then you want to reel down with it, more down, and then pump up. Yeah, exactly. Just keep doing that. There you go. This is on the 8,000 Fears on a 7-foot rod. We're taking, it's a little change from the conventionals that we've been catching these sandbars on. So hopefully it's a different species. Hopefully. But we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, he's coming in now.
At least he's making runs on like water. Don't go towards Saren, stay where you are.
Look at that sandbar shark, boys. Look at that sandbar shark, boys. He's kind of big. That's another sandbar. Okay, so let's get this hook out. Yeah. yeah, just, there you go. Clean release on that guy. It's probably another female because she's so fat. Yeah, every shark has that.
I'm retarded. 6'5".
6'5"?
Over 6'5", yeah.
Another one.
Yes, sir.
This one is definitely fatter than the first one we caught today. Yeah, I got him. Another sandbar. Oh my god, this guy's big. Ah. There you go. Clean release on him. And now we're going home.
All right, after that, what are we thinking?
I'm chilly.
You're chilly?
Can't wait to change.
It's a really chilly night.
Yeah, we're gonna go home now.
All right, y'all, we just finished up with our last shark of the night. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. It's definitely a cold night, you'd say.
Yeah.
All right,
Very
there we go.
chilly.
We're gonna wrap it up with 3 sharks. We had about 5 runs tonight. Snapped off on one of them. Caught a real small baby shark that we don't really count. But, still a fun fight. You'll probably see some footage of that. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you guys in the next Double Up Fishing video.
Peace.